Hi, I recently purchased this NEEWER FS230B 230W by color LED video light directly from the NEEWER website, and I would like to share with you my first impression and key points about this video light. First of all, my advice is to check Amazon website if you consider to purchase it, because what I found out is that even with attractive spring discount offered on the NEEWER website, you can actually get it a bit cheaper on Amazon. Alright, let's have a look at what's inside the box. A carrying bag, 260 watt power adapter, standard 3-prong AC power cord cable, reflectors outer diffusion fabric, instruction manuals, reflector protective cover, and FS230B video light. The very first impression of the video light is quite good. Although it is made mostly of plastic, the plastic itself feels durable. At the back, it has an angle adjustment lever, and you can easily attach the video light to a tripod spigot adapter. The FS230B weighs only 1.7 kilograms, but that does not mean its light output is not strong enough. The NEEWER FS230B offers a maximum illuminance of 110,000 lux at 1 meter, providing exceptional brightness for various shooting scenarios. I did some tests with it and I was surprised with the brightness it offers. At this price point, the FS230B is seriously impressive. On 100%, it is super bright. Of course, to control and soften this light, it is recommended to use a softbox. Moving on, the NEEWER FS230B's adjustable color temperature range of 2700K to 6500K lets you easily shift between warm and cool tones to suit any creative environment. With a CRI of 97+ and TLCI of 98+, it delivers outstanding color accuracy, ensuring your subjects look true to life on camera. The light features smooth, flicker-free dimming from 0% to 100% with 4 dimming curve options: exponential, logarithmic, S-curve, and linear for precise control over your lighting style. An intelligent cooling system keeps the light running quietly, automatically adjusting fan speed based on temperature. And whether you're in the studio or out in the field, the FS230B gives you flexible power options. Use the included AC adapter, or optionally switch to V-mount batteries for cordless operation. Thanks to its Bowens mount, it's compatible with a wide range of popular modifiers such as softboxes, snoots, and beauty dishes. All things considered, it's a feature-packed light that offers impressive performance, especially for the price. Hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing and tech reviews.